2, 3. Bam. Bam. Congratulations. Hey.
Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another episode. If you're new to the channel, my name is Cody and this is Crushin Gears. And to be honest with you guys, this is not a video I saw coming so quickly into the future. As you know by the title, we are getting rid of the 600 LT Spider today, and that just breaks my heart. I'll explain more later on in the video, but it is for something new. So look into that video that's coming up. That'll be the next video. But yeah, I'm super bummed. I'm super sad today to be making this video. I knew that this day would come. I just didn't think it would come almost 1 year to the date. About a year and a month ago we got this car. So without further ado, let's go for one last drive. Got the fob right here, so let's just go. Oh man, I'm gonna miss this car. I don't know. When it's gone, and this view is just amazing. I know you guys are here for the car. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm just babbling because I don't know how to make this video. I don't even really want to make this video because, well, it's sad and I don't really want to let this car go, but it's not mine, as you guys know, so it's not my decision. I tried talking my dad out of it, but let's go and start this bad boy up. Man, I'm gonna miss this. I'm gonna miss those seats. Let's just throw my bag here in the front. Alright, are you guys ready? One last, it's summertime and it's been driven already, so really not a cold start, but one last lukewarm start for the channel, for the boys. And always if you have McLaren inactive, you got that. Oh man, this just rumbles. I'm really going to miss this car, like really going to miss. That's the best thing about the Spider. So you can have the roof up and still listen to that beautiful engine noise. Oh man. So on the odometer right now, there we go, we got some focus. So just under 7,000 kilometers. Oh man, I'm really gonna miss this car. Alright, I'll see you guys at FAF McLaren. Alright, boys and girls, let's step out here and talk about a few things. Man, oh, I'm really gonna miss this view. Oh. Man, when this view is gone, because it's gone, there's nothing like this going to be on the channel, maybe for a while, maybe ever. Man, this was just such a blast to have, to get to drive. Just look at it glistening in the sun. This color just pops so well. Oh man, the center seats with the top down, nothing compares to it. And of course the top mounted exhaust there. Oh man, all the carbon fiber in the world. Oh, this is just so good. The silver rims, by far way better, like night and day with the black rims. So glad that the silver rims are making a comeback, kind of. But yeah, I'm really gonna miss this car. This was such a dream to drive. The sound, like McLaren, shout out to McLaren, because this exhaust is kind of the best exhaust with turbos I've ever heard that weren't aftermarket. Oh man, I cannot just get. I really don't want to go in. I don't want to go and film another video yet. So, yeah. I mean, so the plan here today is, after this video, I'm actually going to go film the next video, and I hope you guys enjoy what's coming to the channel next. Let me know in the comments below, what did you guys think is replacing the 600 LT Spider? I'll give you a hint. It is a 2020 model year. And it was a build order, so it's not like something that was previously owned, something that maybe has a few kilometers on it. No, this is straight from a factory. I'll give you a hint. Actually, no more hits, no more hits, no more hits. All right, no more hits. It's a 2020 model year, so let me know in the comments below what you guys think is replacing the beautiful 600 LT Spider. Let's just talk here for a moment. Like, I got shorted on the car. You guys got shorted on the car because this wasn't supposed to happen so quick. You know, this year I would have filmed more, but with COVID, unfortunately a lot of things were not able to come around. Like the car meets just started up not too long ago, and then I'll explain in the next video, or maybe 2 videos from now, but this was kind of on the fence if this deal was actually happening, and I'll explain more in detail. So this car wasn't even being driven until that was kind of set in stone, whether we were getting rid of it or if we were keeping it. So man, it's just, I'm sad to see this go. So let's just have a moment of silence for the 2020 McLaren 600 LT Spider. Okay, alright. Let's cut into a montage of the 600 LT Spider, okay? Montage in 3, 2, 1. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Any second now. Any second, boys and girls. Any second. We are going to see the best spec McLaren 600 LT Spider in Canada. I promise you guys, so bear with me. Oh.
This is the only Spider we've done in McLaren orange.
That sounds amazing. pushes you back into the seat. It's incredible. If you guys enjoyed that video, make sure to crush that like button, crush that subscribe button down below. And just like that, stay tuned to the next video because that is the next car, which I'm going to film right now. Let's go give the key to Mark, our sales guy. And thank you guys for the support. And if you want merch, 10% off in the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys next one. Peace.